Welcome to another scroll of tips and tricks. Everyday Soul. I'm Helen Najar.
Lionheart. Last time we tracked the trickster exposing fake senders with MX Toolbox. But not all traps come through email. Some wait right behind your click. A click can open doors or drop you into a trap. Not every trail you see online is safe to follow. Here, a real phishing attempt. It looks like it's from State Farm, but look closely at the sender address. It's complete nonsense. We went over this in the previous episodes, so I will skip ahead this time. I am not clicking that button. Instead, I'm copying the link behind it. Right-click, then select Copy Link. Now we navigate to VirusTotal.com. I highly recommend this tool. Feel free to explore other links like URL Void, though personally I'm not a fan. Now, let's paste the suspicious link into VirusTotal. This site checks if it has been flagged as dangerous, and once it's in, we get the result fast. And just like that, 7 Engines says it's dangerous phishing malware. This could have hijacked your system. Let's take a closer look. Each red mark here is a warning from a different vendor. Bitdefender, Fortinet, Webroot. They have all seen this link before, and they say all the same thing. Don't trust it. Every trial has a truth beneath the surface. Don't sink, scan first, and sail safely in the digital wild waters. Let's set sail again, see where the wind takes us to reveal another lesson. Stay tuned.